guys, now we're on the back side of the example practice that we were just working on. So we are on page 32 of the large workbook version 1. We're on page 32, and we're continuing to work on patterns with decimals. So we need to fill in this chart, and I'm only going to do number 8 with you. You are going to practice on 5, 6, 7, and 9 by yourself. So this is a thousandths chart, and it says the students in Mrs. Lowell's class wrote a thousandths decimal chart on the board. Some of the numbers got erased, okay? And then down at number 8, it says, use repeated reasoning, write the missing numbers in the decimal chart above. So let's take a look at what's going on here. Going across, we're at thousandths, thousandths, and then we're at hundredths. So if you understand the decimal place value, you know hundredths is bigger than thousandths, so we're getting larger as we go across. Well, what are we getting larger in? We're getting larger in the thousands. 1, 2. So logic would say this would be 0, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then if you take the logic of rounding, we know we can't put a 10 here. That's not going to make any sense. That's going to bring us right back to this. So you would then have this 9 tell the hundredths place what to do, and 5 or more let it soar says 9 would tell this 0 to go up to a 1. That's how we increased all the way across. Let's look at this next pattern. We're still in the thousandths place, and we have 11 thousandths, 13 thousandths, 16 thousandths. So let's logic. Let's use some logic here. We're getting bigger. It ends in a hundredths. So like we did here, we know we're going to have to increase this one. So everything's increasing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, up 20. This would be 20, okay? So we're increasing by 1,000th each time. So this would be 0.012, 0.013, 0.014, 0.015, 16, 17, 0.018, 19, 20. Let's look at the next one. It doesn't give us a starting point, but we can look at 22 thousandths, 27 thousandths, 29 thousandths, and we can use a little logic to say, well, those are going higher. Let's count. If they're the right number of spaces between 22 and 27, I know it's going up by 1. So let's check it out. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It's going up by 1. But it didn't give me the starting point. If I go up, what do I have to do to figure out the starting point? I'd have to go down by 1. So it'd be 0.021, then 21 to 22. Then we have 22 to 23, 23 to 24, 24 to 25, 25 to 26. Then we have 27. Oh, it's working out beautifully. 28. And then we cannot go 30 thousandths. It doesn't work like that. So as we're going to follow suit here, the 9 is going to tell the 2 what to do. So we have 0.0 because everything in front of it stays the same. And the 9 told the 2 to go up to a 3. Okay. I'm going to let you try this last column on your own. And then you're going to answer 5. Oops. You're going to answer 5, 6, 7, and 9 by yourselves, and you're going to upload a picture of this to the assignment so that we know you did your practice. Let's take a look going down. What's happening here? We're increasing by 10. 1 to 11. 1 plus what gives you 11? 1 plus 10. 11 to 21. 11 plus what gives you 21? 21 to 31. 21 plus what gives you 31? So going down, we're increasing by 10 thousandths. We're increasing by 0.010. We're adding 10 thousandths when we go down. Going side by side, we are adding 1 thousandths, 1 thousandth each way. So going this way, the pattern is adding 1 thousandth, and going this way, the pattern is adding 10 thousandths. That should make it a little bit easier for you to figure this out. Let's look at this logically. 3 plus 10 is 13. 13 plus 10 is 23. 23 plus 10 is 33. Now, did that fit in the plus 1 pattern? 31, 32, 33, 34. It sure did. So you have to think on this one, and you have to come up with the patterns. You're working on this last one. You're working on 5, 6, 7, and 9. Upload a picture when you're finished, and then move over to Practice Buddy.